Initially, we will import two libraries, Extractor and seveFile. We know that Extractor is the standard GUI library for Python. Python, when combined with Extractor, provides a fast and easy way to create GUI applications. We will use two methods of Extractor, file dialog and show info. File dialogs help you open, save files or directories. This dialog comes out of the module, there's no need to write all the code manually. Extractor helps us to display a variety of message box, which helps the user to know about the process status. Show info is one of them. It will be displaying a message to convey the message that the zip file has been extracted. Now, we will display a window using a Extractor object. Label 1 will have the text, choose the zip file, and it will be placed in the first row, the first column, but as the index starts from 0, we will start from 0. To choose the zip file, we will put a button in the same row that will allow the user to select the file. Similarly, label 2 will have the text, where to extract, and it will be placed in the second row, the first column. Button 2 will ensure that the location which is selected by the user code will extract the files at the same location only. At last, we will put the extract button which will extract all the files successfully. The main loop function will be used to display the window until and unless it closed by the user manually. Let us discuss the selectFile function. This function will be invoked when choose file button will be pressed. We will declare a variable zip that will store the zip file selected by the user. By using the label method, we will display the address of the file to make users sure about the selection. In the end, the function will return the zip variable because it will be used to extract the function. Let us discuss the saveLocation function. This function will be invoked when the choose location button will be pressed. We will declare a global variable that will open a file dialog asking the user to select the destination to save the extracted zip file. Using the label method, we will display the address of the destination in the next row. In the end, save path will be returned. Let us discuss the extract function. ZipFile is a class of zip file module for reading and writing zip files. Here we import only class ZipFile from the ZipFile module. It will read our zip file. Then it will extract all the files to the desired destination. Once the process is completed, it will display a message box saying that extraction was successful. Yes, it's working. I hope you all liked the video. Subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends. Your support means a lot to us, cause we would be bringing such exciting stuff for you in the future. Till then, take care and have a good day.